Welcome to the channel. This is Waga. We are going to continue with our series on videos on views in SwiftUI. And what we're going to look at today is the segmented picker. That's what we're going to look at. We looked at picker, and now I think we're going to look at the segmented picker. And to use a segmented picker, of course, just like picker, you need to use the state. In order to use it, you have to bind it to a variable in state, right? And so that's what we're going to do. And so what you would do is come here and you could say state private var, and you could say selected, and it's going to be set on the second selection, right? And in the vstack, in the body, sorry, we're going to have a vstack, and the vstack is going to be let's first have a text telling us what it is. We could say segmented picker, and we could make it large by using the font modifier. Font, and this is going to be dot large title, like so. And let's resume so that you can see it. And yeah, we have that. And we could come down here and we could use the picker. We could use the picker, and the picker, we're going to pass that because we don't want a label. And we're going to say selection. The selection is going to be, we're going to bind it to the selected, like so. So we could say selected like so. And in here we're going to have our three favorite footballers, our three most favorite footballers. That is the, we could have Messi, and this is going to, you need a tag. It's just like a picker. So we would have a tag of 1, and we could copy this 3 times. And yeah, we could copy this 3 times, come down here, do this. And instead of this, the second guy is going to be Ronaldo, and the tag is going to be 2, and the third person is going to be Luka Modric. Let's put his last name Modric, and this is going to be. So basically, when you do this, it looks exactly like a picker. But how you change it is you come and add a modifier called picker style, and picker style is going to have a segmented picker style, like so. And yeah, so basically you see we have Messi, Ronaldo, and Modric. And another thing we could do is we could add color. So we could come here and we could say dot, we could first add padding. Oh, I'm sorry. Add padding, like so. And you need to add the color for the padding. The order matters, and I think I've covered that in a previous video. So we need to add the background here, and this is going to be color dot purple, like so. So if we take the background and put it after the padding, you will see the difference. We cut this and we put it after the padding, like so. You see it goes outside the 3 of them, right? But if we put it above, it shades between the lines. So the order of modifiers can matter in some cases. So let's see it on the simulator, and that's basically the segmented picker. Yeah, so you could pick Modric, Ronaldo, Messi, Ronaldo, and Modric. Basically, that is the segmented picker, and yeah, that's all about the segmented picker. Bit like picker, and if you want to use it, you just use the modifier called picker style. And yeah, so thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. If you're new here, I post content like this every other day, and yeah, and like the video. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Thank you.